Hello dear students, today we are going to see the syllabus of environmental studies. In this semester, means this is first semester. In this semester, there are 5 units or 5 modules. Unit number 1 is environment and ecosystem. Unit number 2 is natural resources and sustainable development. Unit number 3 is population and emerging issues of development. Unit 4 talks about urbanization and environment, and Unit 5 is reading of thematic maps and map filling. Now let us see one by one. First unit is environment and ecosystem. Okay, here you will learn about meaning and definition of environment. Of course, you are very much familiar. You might be very much familiar with these two concepts, है ना? Environment and ecosystem. Okay. The next is scope of environment and components of environment. The next subtopic you will learn in Unit 1 is concept of ecosystem. Here you will learn about the meaning of ecosystem, then characteristics of ecosystem, types of ecosystem, components of ecosystem, functioning in an ecosystem, and structure of ecosystem. Next, food chain and food web. Next, ecological pyramids. Then next, man and environment relationship. The next, aims or objectives of environmental studies. The next, importance of environmental studies. All these things you learn in Unit 1. Now let us look at Unit 2. Unit 2 is natural resources and sustainable development. Here you learn about meaning and definitions of natural resources and sustainable development. Here you will also learn about classification of natural resources, or you can say types of natural resources, then factors influencing resource utilization in developing countries, in underdeveloped and developed nations, etc. Then next is resource conservation. Okay, you will learn here different conservation of natural resources, how to conserve them, etc. There are different methods of conservation of resources. You will learn all those things in this unit. Then in second unit you will also learn about conventional and non-conventional resources. Okay, these are actually types of resources. You will learn in detail in this unit. Then problems associated with water. Okay, problems associated with water, forest and energy resources, and management of water, management of forest, management of energy resources you will learn in this unit. Then next, resource utilization and sustainable development. Very interesting topic. Okay, so all these things you will learn in Unit 2. Now let us look at third unit. Third unit talks about populations and emerging issues of development. In this unit, you learn about population explosion in the world and population explosion in India and arising concerns. Means what? Problems associated with population explosion in the world and problems associated with population explosion in India. Okay. After that, you learn about demographic transition theory. Okay. Then next, pattern of population growth in the world and in India and associated problems. Okay. In this situation, there is need to control population. Okay. So here you will learn measures taken to control population growth in India. After that, you'll also learn human population and environment. Of course, very close relation, okay, between these two. Okay. Then next, environment and human health. Next concept is Human Development Index, or you can say HDI. Okay, there are different parameters of HDI. For example, age structure, occupational structure, literacy rate, life expectancy at birth, etc. These are what? Different parameters or components of HDI. With the help of those components or parameters, we can assess, we can check progress or development of any country. Okay, so this concept also we will learn in third unit. Then next concept is the World Happiness Index. This is newly introduced concept introduced by Bhutan. Okay, so all these things you will learn in unit 3. Okay, now let us come towards fourth unit. Fourth unit talks about urbanization and environment. In this unit, you'll learn about concept of urbanization, problems associated with urbanization, then problems of migration, and then next, urban environment, changing land use pattern due to urbanization, then crowding and stress on urban resources, then degradation of air, water, land, etc. Okay. The next subtopic of fourth unit is impact on biodiversity, then urban heat island, emerging smart cities and safe cities in India, and sustainable cities. Okay, so all these things you learn in fourth unit or fourth module. Now let us come towards fifth unit. Fifth unit is reading of thematic maps and map filling. In short, you can say map reading and map filling. Okay, then read here. You will learn different cartographic techniques like located bars, located circles, spy diagrams, isoplate method, choropleth method, flow chart or flow map, pictograms, etc. These are cartographic techniques. With the help of these cartographic techniques, we can represent data on the map. Okay, so all these cartographic techniques you will learn in unit 5. Then you will also learn map filling in this unit. Okay, means how to mark features on their proper location, etc. All those things you will learn in unit 5 or module 5. Okay, so it was all about syllabus of environmental studies. Okay, in next video we will start first unit, first module. Okay, that is environment and ecosystem. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.